talk about the cues in the F&O space. Nigel is here with us to tell us more. Nigel.
Well, market that's not falling and actually consolidating will be not so bad news from a bullish perspective, because the Nifty will be mildly in the green. But the only problem is this Nifty Bank and the Nifty IT index, they don't seem to be tangoing together, because one day you have one that performs, the next day you have the other one that performs. And in today's trading session, the Nifty Bank actually is performing pretty well. And if you just look at the Nifty Bank and plot it with the 20 DMA, you'll see that the Nifty Bank actually is creeping above that mark. So you like that. You'll want the Nifty Bank to actually conquer the 20 DMA decisively on a closing basis. The problem is the IT index is giving some part of the gains that you've seen over the last few trading sessions. But then it appears there's a short straddle that's playing out. And those that are playing the short straddle, they are hoping the next three trading sessions, the Nifty sticks to this range of around 500 points approximately. Because you look at the call, the 25,000 call, the markets are up close to around 30 points or 35 points. That strike is in the money, but yet you're not making very, very big money if you bought this particular, call. So that's telling you the writers are at play. On the flip side, the 25,000 put as well, good amount of open interest built up. There are signs of writing out there. But if there's a short straddle, then they're looking to pocket 250 rupees, and 25,000 plus 250 rupees, 25,000 minus 250 rupees, which gives you the range that's up for you on the screen. So that's the broad range you're working with for the next three trading sessions, or because the expiry will be on Tuesday. Moving to stocks that are on focus. Infosys, that was the big boy that has led the rally in the last few days. That's coming for some profit taking, some kind of unwinding of positions is what we're seeing on that one. Oracle, now this is a rather interesting one, because the open interest built up today is close to around 25%. I think we should get the futures plate actually up for you. The open interest is up by close to around 25%, 28%. And by the end of today, it will be interesting to see whether or not Oracle is a stock that gets into the F&O band, because the open interest build-up is very, very large. BSE, clearly the street is sensing some negative news, and that's why the last few trading sessions, you have seen a good amount of open interest build-up on BSE. But a couple of candidates have come in for some short covering. So BG Electroplast, you pull up the futures plate, that will tell you the picture. The stock is up, the open interest is lower. Similar is the case with BPCL, stock is up. And in fact, you have open interest that's lower. But the stock that I'll really keep an eye out on is Oracle Financial. It's seen a big run in the last few trading sessions. Today, the open interest is massive, and the stock has come off the top. So that could probably be a name that maybe sneak into the F&O band. We'll keep an eye out. Early days right now, but we'll keep an eye out on that one. Back to you.
Okay, Nigel, thank you so much for that. We'll be keeping an eye out on those levels as well as those stocks that have been mentioned by Nigel as well. But let's